Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So this is a question from JEE Main Sequence and Series. Find the sum of 6 over 3 raised to the 26 plus 10 multiplies 1 3 raised to the 25 plus 10 into 2 3 to the power 24 in the denominator. So next term is 10 2 raised to the power 2 3 to the power 23, and last term is 10 multiplies 2 raised to the power 24 over 3. The options are given as sum 3 raised to the 26, 2 raised to the 26, C 3 raised to the 25, D 2 to the power 25. So let me write this as a sum. Sum equals to 6 over 3 to the power 26 plus 10 multiplies 1 3 raised to the power 25 plus 10 into 2 over 3 raised to the power 24. Next is 10 2 square 3 raised to the power 23, so on. Last is 10 raised to the power 22 to the power 24 by 3. So you will observe very carefully from the second term onward. So there is a pattern. So let this name this as, or this all the sum as S dash. So S equals to 6 over 3 raised to the 26 plus S dash. And since it is a series, I can get the sum very easily. S dash equals to, let us see what is it. So this is 10 into 1 by 3 raised to the 25 plus 10 multiplies 2 3 raised to the 24 plus so on. Last is 10 2 to the power 24 over 3. So I am taking common, but 10 over 3 to the power 25 I am taking as common. So what will left 1, and for the second term it will be 2 over 3 to the power negative 1. Then it will be 2 square, third term, it will be 10 into 2 square and 3 to the power 23. So it will be 3 power negative 2. So on, and last will be 2 to the power 24 by 3 raised to the power negative 24. Or S dash equals to 10 raised to the power 23 to the 25, 1 plus, this will be in the numerator it will be 3, 6, it will be 2 square, 3 square, and the last term will be 2 to the power 24, 3 to the power 24. So it is a GP series, it is clearly observed. So 1 plus 6 square plus 6 cube up to 6 to the power 24. So it is a GP series. When the first term is 1, R is 6 and N is equals to your 25. Up to 24 I will get. So the sum is equals to S dash equals to 10 to 3 to the power 25 A R to the power N minus 1 by, so this will be A1 into 6 to the power 25 minus 1 over 5. So 1 5 I can cancel because this is multiplied. So 10 over 3 to the power 25 into 6 to the power 25 minus 1 over 5. So 5 2 This will be 2 over 3 to the power 25 into 6 to the power 25 minus 1. S dash equals to 2 into 6 to the power 25 over 3 to the power 25 minus 2 over 3 to the power 25. So next we'll go for this first term, this one. Total S is equals to 6 over 3 to the power 26. This was the first term. Now plus all this term. So this will be 2 into 6 to the power. I can write 2 into 2 to the power 25 multiplies 3 to the power 25 over 3 to the power 25. Because 6 over 2 into 3 minus 2 over 3 to the power 25. Okay. So here these two will be cancelled. So S is equals to S by 3 to the power 26, and see this one term is 2 to the power 26. Now coming to the last term, if I multiply 3 in both numerator and denominator, it will be 6 by 3 to the power 26. So this 2 will be cancelled. What is the answer? Answer is 2 to the power 26. This will be the answer. So let us check which one is the answer. So 2 to the power 26, B is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, and